In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a notification that will alert approvers when a request for an employee transfer has been made in Oracle HCM. This smart notification enables approvers to see a high-level overview of the transfer request information and enables them to approve or reject the request itself right within the flow of their work. Let's jump in. The first step is to grab the triggers related to the notification we want to create. In this case, that's for employee transfers. So we'll get any tasks related to transfers and make sure the request has been assigned so that we can proceed. After that, we start to pull in the task information that's relevant to the request. That includes details such as whether or not the transfer includes a salary change, the effective start date, etc. All the information we need to pull from Oracle to create a complete picture of the request in the notification. Now we start to build out the actual notification card using the data we just collected. This card will contain an overview of the request information as well as a link to the full request in Oracle. So here you have the approval card for the approver and the FYI card for the submitter, both of which have essentially the same information, with the main difference being that when an approver takes an action on their card, this action feature is triggered. Now we can send a test to ourselves to make sure everything worked properly and the card is what we expect it to be. And here are the sample versions of the cards with all the detail. This is the card that would be sent to the submitter in their to know section. And this is the approval that would be sent to the approver in their to do section. Now we can deploy our feature. And once a feature is deployed, if we select approve or reject on the approver card, our action feature will be triggered. Once it's complete, we should see a final FYI card sent to the submitter of the request. Thanks for watching. This feature was super easy to do. It's certainly way quicker than building an app using traditional development methods.